talks about him, dreams about him,
Going over to the gate?
thinks about him.
Oh, you're such
all
a
the
good
time.
boy. Yeah.
She's got to have him,
Such a good
be
boy.
lost without him.
Hi, buddy. You ready for rain?
You can see it in her eyes. What is it? What is it with girls and horses? She says, now when I was a young girl, they were my whole world. They were my one safe place. Now that I'm older, still lean on their shoulders. I still feel like that girl some days. What is it? What is it with girls and horses? Sometimes I wanna give up, throw up my hands and say enough's enough. But that's when I go and saddle up and run away till I'm okay, until I'm not afraid of staying in the game. Maybe that's what it is with girls and horses. Well, I talk about 'em and I dream about 'em. I live to love 'em and I love to ride. I'll always have 'em, be lost without 'em. There's magic in the